boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have NAKAMURA featuring AYRA STARR. This song is called Hype or Hypé. I think that could be a close pronunciation there of the French word, what I believe. So anyway, we're gonna look at this 3-chord song with the 4-chord progression. So anyway, let's do that with the capo set on the 3rd fret. All right, so capo on 3rd. So we have the E minor, C, and D. So first the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We'll go with this C chord and grip. So that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. You could also play the standard C, so I just give you that as an alternative. So that is 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So that could be neat to do that as well, since the next chord, the D and final chord, will be very similar to the C, but just on a different position here. So that will be 5th A, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. So there you have the chord progression: E minor, C, then D, and then back to C again. And you can choose 2 of these different C versions. So this one is handy because the next chord, D, that comes in between the 2 Cs, is the same pattern here when it comes to the grip, but this C version is more reminiscent of the melody we're gonna play and use. So about that, we're gonna look at the melody first. So we're gonna take that chord by chord. Starting with E minor, what I suggest you hold is like this: index finger on the 2nd fret D string, and your ring finger on the 3rd fret B. You're gonna play this part. So that is open E string, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and back to open G. Then the next chord here, the C, is just to add on this mid finger on the 3rd fret A string. Keep the other fingers where you have them. So that is the reason for having the E minor like this, and then you just go to the C. Okay, so this C, you're gonna play like this. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 3rd B, and then open B. Okay, then you go to the D, you go like this and play. So that will be 5th on A, 4th D, 2nd G. So it's a little bit stretchy there. It's a matter of practice there. So 2nd G, back to 4th D, and open G. And then you go back to play the same C as previous C. And that is one melody round. So slowly it goes like this. Alright, so there you have the melody, and now over to the strumming. So you can choose to play the C in what version you want, but the chord progression will be E minor, C, D, and back to C. So one string around will be with this E minor, down, up, clap, down. So down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Right? So you're gonna play one string around per chord. With the chord progression, it will sound. Alright guys, so that is the hype of this song here. So I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to support me on Growing Guitar. subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Why not? So give it a chance, try for a while, and see what I like about it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.